Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
We got a big one on the ice tonight, and along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski, ready to call all the action. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
A sight every hockey fan can appreciate. It's a clean sheet of ice, and we are about to get underway. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Let's it go! Gets a glove on it to make the save. Backstrom's won the faceoff. Forsberg's got it across the line. Here's a shot with the stop. Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And he slides it quickly to Carlson. And now he moves it quickly to Lindholm. Takes it across the blue line. Knocked away. Taken by Backstrom. Slides the puck over. Belarus has it against the half wall. Huge steal in his own end. Team Sweden's got it into the offensive zone. Sweden's going to play it from the corner. And here's a shot. Puck picked up by Forsberg. Quick feed down low. Carlson's got it in the offensive zone. Moves it to Carlson. And here's a pass to Carlson. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And he heads outside the comfort zone now to go play the puck in his own end. Moves it quickly over to Forsberg. And look at this, a 3-on-1. And officials right on top of that one, calling for a slashing penalty, it looks like. Tempers flaring, and someone's off to the box for slashing.
It's so often you just reach out and react, a little bit of frustration. It's a pretty obvious call, though.
Both teams lining up for the face-off, and it's a chance to see if there's actually some power in this power play.
This has been a pretty tightly played game, but now they've earned the game's first power play. So they've got an opportunity to get the first strike on the board. Start with an offensive zone face-off and a chance to get out in front.
Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And manages to clear the zone. Team Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. Steen swooping in on the attack. Lets one go. That's turned aside from the blocker. And another stop.
He's sharp on that one. Nowhere to go for the puck.
Gets it out of his own end. Sweden's got the puck along the boards. Drives it to the front of the net. Here's a chance to clear the puck from his own end. And the short-handed unit will be stuck out there still. It's knocked down at the blue line.
Yeah, and you run out of gas in a hurry when you're killing penalties. Those are hard minutes on the ice.
Inside the offensive zone, takes the pass from along the boards. And that one's stopped. Team Belarus is back to even strength as they've killed off the penalty. Oh, and another big stop.
Always frustrating for the power play when they go back to the bench and don't have anything to show for it.
Save made by the goalie.
Oh, he followed the puck really well there. A couple of good stops.
Makes the save. Takes it across the blue line. Pokes it away in his own end. Passes it over to Ekman Larsson. Gets the puck back onto his stick. Stopped by the goaltender. Good job tangling up his opponent here. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Sends a pass over. Moves it around along the half wall. Quick feed to Raquel. Puck scooped up by Raquel. Takes a shot and makes the save. Backlund's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Oh, a clutch save! And he slides it quickly to Klingberg. Puck grabbed by Silverberg. Loose puck battle along the boards. Now a quick pass to Klingberg. Here's a chance, and he comes up with it. Backlund's won the draw. Pass back to the point. Here's a short pass to Eriksson. Puts the puck on net. Oh, going wide.
Just misses the net, but really the scoring chance is not dangerous if you can't get the puck at the goaltender.
Team Sweden's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Here's an odd man rush. Takes the feed at the back end. Picks off the pass in the defensive zone. Bumped off the puck. Gives it right back. And that's broken up. Passes the puck over to Carlson. Carlson's got it into offensive territory. On the one-timer, that's blocked. Finds some space in the corner. Great heads-up play by the defender. Quick pass to Carlson. Handles the puck. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. On the attack along the boards. Centering pass with authority. And now it's over to Pettersson. Sends it over to Hedman. Hedman's got it along the wing. Puck battle along the boards. Gets a hold of the puck here at his own end. Over the line they come. Right to the middle. Lets it fly. And there's the save.
Really good puck control by the goalie as he gets it out of danger.
And he caught him when he wasn't looking. What a hit. Back at the point, they set it up. Coughs up the puck after that hit. There's the whistle from the linesman calling it offside.
Sweden's trying to impose their will physically on this game. The home crowd is having a great time watching their guys batter the opposition.
Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes the pass. Easy peasy right there by Leonard. Zibanejad's won it in their own end. Dishes it to Landeskog. Moves it to Zibanejad. Smart read by the defender to come up with it. And that one's picked off in the neutral zone. Landeskog's going to play it against the half wall. Fires it. Oh, what a stop. Belarus will play it from behind the net. Through center along the wing. Oh, he'll feel that one. And that one's broken up. Feeds it to Zibanejad. It's a 2-on-1. Slides it across. Stones him in front. Team Belarus has got the puck along the wall. Here they come on the attack. Big-time defensive play. They've got the defense outnumbered. To his teammate. Handles it along the blue line. Moves it quickly over to Zibanejad. Big save.
That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took. Backstrom's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Centering pass!
shot! Stopped by the goaltender. Another stop by the goaltender. Up along the wing. From point blank, he scores! What a goal!
Goalie just can't keep up with this. He's close to the net, but he's still able to have enough room to beat the goaltender.
Belarus has taken a 1-0 lead here in the back half of the first.
The first 10 minutes of this period were pretty cautious. Nobody really pushing the play, so a goal here in the early part of the second half of the period might go a long way to opening the game up.
Across the point. And that banks off a stick. And gets control of the puck once again here in the open ice. Wrists one. Oh, wow! What a save with the glove.
He makes the glove stop right from the slot. That's a dangerous chance.
Sweden's had the scoring opportunities, but they still find themselves behind in the first. Off the trot, he ties up his opponent. That knocks him off the puck. Comes up with a blocker save. Jabs the puck away. Carries it in. Picked up along the wall by Carlson. Takes the feed. Here they are on the attack. Sends it over. Puts it on net. And that goes off a player. Stones him with the blocker.
Yeah, he gets out on top of the shooter. There's really nowhere for that puck to go.
With possession along the wall. Moves the puck. Poked away. Quick feed to Silverberg. And it's a quick pass to Raquel. Raquel's got it against the boards. Here's a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Nice pass. Sends the cross-ice pass. Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line. Here in the later stages of this period, we got a 1-0 game to this point. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Right out in front, knocked away. Takes the puck along the boards. Move to the middle, quick shot, big time stop. Team Belarus has gained possession along the boards. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. Great cross-ice pass. Along the half wall with the puck. Here's a short pass to Forsberg. Pushes it across to Eriksson. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. He got all of that one. Misses a golden opportunity there.
Hit the net. No chance to score if you don't get the puck on target. Oh, there's going to be a penalty on this play here, James.
And the goaltender gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Penalty coming up here as the play is stopped. We got a minor penalty coming up here on this one.
For sure, James. I mean, this call was going to be made. You could see the play develop, and now they're going to have to serve 2 minutes.
Belarus sends their man advantage unit out for the first time this evening.
Well, here's our first power play of the game. You'd love to score in your first one if you get the chance, because that helps the power play become more confident. More confident always means more successful.
And manages to clear the zone. Comes out to play the puck. Retrieves the puck, trying to kickstart this power play. Carries it across the line. Sends it across. Nice save by the goaltender to get a pad on that. Team Sweden still trailing here in this opening period despite excellent scoring opportunities in the offensive zone. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Team Belarus has got a hold of it against the wall. Takes the feed. Moves it around along the half wall. Moves right to the middle. Takes a shot. He scores!
Now the power play comes through. They move the puck nicely, and they're able to capitalize on the extra man.
Here in the late going of the frame, Belarus has really pushed the pace over these last few minutes, leading by a pair. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. First period nearly in the books here. Tries to feed it over to Forsberg. Forsberg's got it in the offensive zone. Here's a shot, comes up with the stop. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
Quick hands, not only does he get a glove on it, he catches it, which is hard to do.
Sweden's down, but not out. They've had chances, they just haven't capitalized. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Grabs it in his own end. On the attack along the boards. Out front, quick shot, stopped by the goaltender.
Had to be sharp, that's a grade A chance.
Here's a chance. And the puck escapes the zone, and they'll be forced to tag up. The horn sounds on the first period comes to an end. It's 2-0 after the opening frame. Pretty good start for one side, not so much for the other.
Don't forget, if you're a member of our rookie team, you'll have the opportunity.
As both teams head to their respective rooms, we'll go recharge ourselves and get ready for a big second period. Second period set to get underway. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Puck sent over to Forsberg. Forsberg's got it in the offensive end. Lets it go, and he makes the save. Team Sweden's had the scoring opportunities. They just haven't been able to capitalize as they continue to trail. And a solid job tying up his opponent. With possession along the wall. Uses the boards with the bank pass. Moves the puck along the half wall. Oh, smart heads-up play to poke that one away. Carlson's carrying it ahead. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. He scores! There's one from Philip Forsberg.
This is the default move for the goaltender here. It's like every shot he drops into the butterfly. He gets beaten clean here.
Sweden's got new life here in this second period, Ray.
It's amazing what a goal does. The energy on the bench changes. Guys can't wait to get on for their next shift.
Takes the feed. Receives the pass. Sends the pass over. Oh, that's a good hit. Team Sweden's got the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Here's the pass. Oh, makes the save. That was a rocket. Slides the cross-ice pass. Along the half wall with the puck. Wrist one. Stopped by the goaltender.
Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go. and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Lots of time left in this period. Sweden's trailing by 1. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. That's intercepted.
Team Sweden's stick position is exemplary tonight. Teams can look at this on video and say, that's how you defend the middle of the ice.
Makes a save with the glove. Picked up along the boards by Raquel. Big save by the goaltender once again. Team Sweden's looking to convert on some of these chances. They've had plenty of opportunities, but have been snake-bitten thus far. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Scores! It's in the back of the net!
A couple goals in right around a minute and 50 seconds.
Look at this, a comeback completed here, and we got a new game.
That was a comfortable lead not very long ago. They tell you it doesn't have to hit the back of the net. It's just got to get over the goal line for it to count. That one does. The goalie had a big chunk of it. Just not enough.
Sweden's evened the score here in the second.
I've liked the way they've played this period. They've had pucks to the net, and they look like they've been pretty aggressive. They've now got the equalizer.
Darlene's got it across the line. Quick pass to Raquel. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And the defenders come up with the puck. And we've got a 2-on-1. Jostled off the puck. He'll keep it alive and moves it ahead. Moves it around along the half wall. Keeps possession. Sends it down low. On the attack along the boards. Feeds the puck over to Eriksson. Eriksson swooping in on the attack. Shot. That one's off the blocker. Slides the puck over. Sends a pass over. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And the poke check. Oh, smart play. Uses the force on that hit. And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him. He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. It's all tied up. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Taken along the wall by Lindholm. Carlson's got it into offensive territory. Takes a shot with the stop. Team Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. And he slides it quickly to Hedman. Here he is in close. Turns it aside with the glove.
No room for the shooter. The goaltender snuffed it out.
Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Turns it aside with the save. There's the whistle as the puck goes out of play. And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Puck picked up in the open ice. Slides it over with pace to Hedman. Landeskog's got the puck. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Sweden's looking to break out of their own end. Look out, a 2-on-1. Slides it across. Here's a shot. No room for that one to get through. And I think he's seen enough because he stops the play covering up the puck.
Oh, guys are going to be bent over trying to gasp for breath. They'll be in favor of that move.
Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. the puck. Throws it in. Sweden's got it from behind the net. Over the line they come. And now he tries to get it across to Zibanejad. Team Belarus has got it in the neutral zone. With possession along the wall. Puck sent across the blue line. Takes the pass. Slides it back to the blue line. Team Sweden's got the puck along the boards. From the opposite point. Moves it. He scores!
Well, they break the tie here, James. This game had been hotly contested since it's been level. They now have found a way to jump into the lead. That shot just overpowered him, I guess. He stopped most of it. It just trickled through and rolled into the net.
Sweden's offense has come alive. You might say someone figured out how to use the controller here, Ray.
It looks like it. At least one guy has. A one-goal lead. They'd like it to be more.
Here they come on the attack. Takes the feed at the point. Centering pass. Comes up with the steal.
Tried just a little bit too much there, James.
Here's a shot and makes a save. Belarus tries to break out from their own end. Moves the puck along the half wall. Stays with it. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Moves behind the net. Handles the puck at the point. Team Sweden's got the puck along the wall. Carries it in. Takes the feed. Knocked away. And the puck skips out of the zone. They'll have to regroup. Moves it quickly over to Darlene. There's the whistle. Offside is the call. Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. Sweden's got the momentum with a one-goal lead. They'd love to add to that. Puck is dropped and play resumes. And now it's grabbed by Nylander. Nylander's got it along the wing. Rips it from the blue line. Puts it just wide.
He's looking to put that... Oh, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
There's the whistle stopping play. Penalty coming up here. This is a good old-fashioned hooking the call here.
He looked like he was water skiing. Man, you got to move your feet. You get your stick around his waist, you'll get called.
Power play unit going back to work.
Easiest thing in the world, James. Tell somebody else to relax. The power play hasn't scored yet. They're not relaxed, and it's not easy to do, but that's the key to success.
Quick feed to Forsberg. Tip shot. Misses.
No, he's got to get that on target. That's a scoring chance, and he doesn't even make the goaltender make a save.
Team Sweden's gained possession along the boards. Here's a short pass to Eriksson. And now he angles it across to Backstrom. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves the puck. Tries to get this man advantage going from their own end now. Quick pass to Backstrom. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. And the officials stop the play as that one goes into the bench. Sweden's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Brilliant save, read it perfectly. A chance to clear, and manages to clear the zone. Through pass ahead. Carries it across the line. Nice pass. Moves it to Steen.
Steen's dangerous in the offensive zone. He's got it now, and he's already got the go-ahead goal.
Both teams back to even strength. Really nice effort by the penalty-killing unit on that one.
All a good power play is about 20%, James. That one falls in the other 80%. They don't get it done, the power play expires.
Team Sweden's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Lays into the body. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Sweden's got the puck behind the net. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Silverberg. Silverberg's going to play it against the half wall. Feeds it on over to Eriksson. Eriksson's got it against the boards. Tries to make that cross-ice feed. Takes the feed. Puts it to the front of the net. Passes right to the front. Receives the pass. Takes it across the blue line. Play whistle dead because of an offside.
Sweden's relentless physical play has helped them get the lead in this game.
Team Sweden's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Through center along the wing. And now he passes up to Raquel. Raquel's got it on the offensive end. Moves it quickly over to Dahlin. And now he moves it quickly to Pettersson. Oh, just wide.
Didn't miss that by much. He got lots on it.
Grabbed along the boards by Raquel. And it's kicked away. Sends the pass over. Up along the wing. And gets it deep inside the offensive zone, allowing them to get a breather. Pettersson's got it along the boards. Pettersson's got it in the offensive zone. And that's picked off in front. Over the line they come. Takes a shot. Denied by the goaltender. Nears the blue line and looks to set up at the point. Sweden's got a hold of it against the wall. Slides it across to Steen. Along the half wall with the puck. And he slides it quickly to Carlson.
Whoa.
He scores! Make that 4 straight.
They seem stunned, like they cannot stem the tide. The 4 straight goals have been just a dominating stretch of play. Now, coaches talk about getting to the front of the net, make it difficult on the goalie, take his eyes away. Man, he only can see the players' butts in front of him. He can't even see the puck.
Team Sweden's given themselves a little breathing room here late in the second.
I would say the next couple of minutes before we get to the intermission are really vital. You'd like to go in just in the spot you're in right now.
They gain possession here inside the neutral zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Back to the point it goes. Team Belarus has got a hold of it along the wall. And that one's broken up. Taken by Carlson. Now a quick pass to Landeskog. Comes up with the stop. From the left side, takes the pass. Moves it around along the half wall. And that's taken by the defense.
He turns that puck over, but I get it. He's trying to make something happen while his team is behind.
Forsberg's carrying it ahead. Lets it go. Oh, the double G, the great glove.
Team Sweden's increased their lead as they've increased their body contact. They look like they've taken the heart away from their opposition.
Here in the late goings of the period, Sweden's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Puck picked up by Hedman. Great read to break up the play. Right up the gut, here they go. Sends it to the opposite corner. Gets the puck over to Ekman Larsson. Scooped up along the wall by Ekman Larsson. And now he moves it to Carlson. Offside is the call, that will have a face-off just outside the offensive zone. Team Sweden's generated a lot of quality scoring chances, which is why they lead here late in the second. Backstrom's won possession. Puck scooped up by Hedman. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. And that goes off the iron and stays out.
Belarus can't believe their bad luck. A shot that hits the goalpost. They thought they were going to eat into this lead.
On the attack along the boards. Wrestling in close. Oh, he gets a piece of it with the glove. Sweden's been the better team tonight, and they lead as a result late in the second. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. And that one's turned away. Team Sweden's up for good reason. They have been the more complete team offensively, which is why they lead late in the second. Backlund's won the draw. Lets it go from the back end. The lane was plugged up and that shot's blocked. And there's the wrap-up cue for period number 2. 4-2 is where we sit after 40 minutes of play.
Are you ready for a walk down memory lane? Then it's time to sign up for our fantasy camp. Play hockey with childhood heroes. It's a fun-filled week full of memories. Call us for details, or you can visit the team website.
And we'll be right back for what should be a very intriguing third. And they are ready to drop the puck on period number 3. Barring extra time, the final frame of this one. Here we go. Third period is underway. Ray Ferraro is between the benches at ice level. Ray, we've got 40 minutes played so far. How have you viewed things?
Sweden's got a lead in this game, which is probably a last shot win sort of thing. Man, it's been out of control for 2 periods. I love it.
Scores! Quick blast! No chance!
That's a quick one-timer right in front of the net. The pass is there. He's got no time to do anything with it, and he beats the goalie.
Sweden's lamp-lighting performance continues here with another goal in the third.
They can walk home. They have dominated this third period. They've stretched the lead out into a really comfortable margin.
Forsberg's got it across the line. Scoops up the puck here. Beautiful feed up ahead from the right wing side. They've got numbers. Gives them nothing in front. Team Sweden's been a dominant force offensively. Plenty of quality scoring opportunities, and they lead it big time early in the third. Zibanejad's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Quick feed to Steen. Can't finish. Oh, Ray, blown opportunity.
It really is. I mean, the play is sitting right there. There's a scoring chance to be had. They just don't execute it.
Nice feed from the right wing. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Great heads-up play by the defender.
Team Sweden's blowing their opponent out of this game. They've intercepted so many passes, it's like they've played a perfect game.
What a great read breaking up the pass. With possession along the wall. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And that carries off a stick. There's another stop. Zibanejad's taking it from his own end. Steen swooping in on the attack. Belarus gains a hold of it. Bank pass off the boards. Slides the puck over. Couldn't light the lamp on that. What a chance.
Sometimes the puck just doesn't go where you want to finish it. He makes a good shot, but he can't capitalize.
Here's a short pass to Hedman. Moves the puck along the half wall. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. Quick pass to Raquel. Makes a save. Gets a piece of it with the glove. And that pass is stolen. Klingberg's got the puck. And it's a quick pass to Dahlin. Gets it to the other point.
Really solid shift here. Their puck possession game has been outstanding. Now they've got it again, and they can hold it down underneath the blue line. Landeskog's made this part of his game. He levels his opponent here.
Sweden's offense has been a thing to watch tonight as they lead it big time here early in the third. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Here they come on the attack. Along the half wall with the puck. Here's a shot. Big time save with the blocker. Here's an odd man rush. Just wide.
Nobody's going to be able to block that unless they're way off target like his shot was.
Good defensive effort to poke it away. Moves it to Lindholm. Team Belarus is ready to go on the attack. Sends a pass over. Whacks it into the offensive zone. Team Sweden's got the puck along the boards. Tries to get it to Silverberg. Silverberg's got it into offensive territory. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Slides the puck down low. Belarus gains a hold of possession. Takes the return feed. Sends it ahead to Backstrom. And a great heads-up defensive play here.
Oh, he laid a solid hit on him there. He was waiting for him and laid the shoulder right into him.
That might loosen a few of the choppers on that play. Carries it in. Great glove save.
Great tracking. He finds the puck. He gets the glove up. Makes the save on a dangerous chance. Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
Sweden's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Carlson. Moves the puck down low. Team Belarus has got the puck along the wall. Moves it around along the half wall. Nice feed from the boards. There's a shot, way off target. Forsberg's picking up steam. They've got the defense outnumbered. To his teammate. Through the offensive zone and behind the net now. Quick feed to Lindholm. Handles the puck. Into the corner now. Takes the pass. Looks to set up at the point now. Here's a shot. Gets in front of it.
Oh, I like this stop here. He makes the save. He looks in control. And the rebound's 30 to 40 feet away.
In front and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up. Team Sweden showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Belarus moves ahead with the puck. On the attack along the boards. From behind the net. And the defenders come up with the puck. Carries it across the line. Sends it quickly to Lindholm. Right in front with the shot. Ref's arm goes up in the air. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. There's the whistle. Let's get the official decision. I know he doesn't like the call on this one. Nobody does, but I think he has a case here, Ray.
Well, it looked like the penalty was going to be called, and then it got sold even more so. So that's a hooking call that he doesn't really like.
Another special teams opportunity for both sides as the man advantage unit is back to work again.
Well, they've earned another power play, James. Of course, that starts with an offensive zone faceoff. They've had success earlier in the game. They'll want to double up on that now if they can.
Belarus has it behind the cage. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And that one's broken up. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes that pass back at the point. And a poke check knocks the puck away. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Takes the feed. Moves the puck. Comes with the steal and manages to clear the zone. From their own end, time winding down here on this power play. They got to get something going here.
Yeah, you got to get into the zone first, James. Get it set up, start moving the puck around, but they've got to get into the zone quickly.
Takes it across the blue line. Both sides back to even strength. A great effort by the penalty killers there.
Well, the penalty killers can go back to the bench knowing they did their job. Score remains the same as it was when that penalty was taken.
Denied by the goaltender.
And he came out and challenged him. Good save.
Sweden's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Backstrom's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Off the post. Back to the blue line. With the stop. He scores! Jumps on the rebound and buries it.
Goalie burps up this rebound here. It comes right back into the shooting area, and the rebound is put away.
Team Sweden's all too aware there's no mercy rule in hockey. They continue to apply the pressure.
No, they're laying a beating on these guys now. It may be time to lay back just a bit.
Picks off the pass in the defensive zone.
Oh, I don't know about that. There didn't seem to be much room there. You've got the lead. Why force the play?
46 seconds.
With possession along the wall. Here's a short pass to Carlson. Nice pass. Pass back to the point. Quick pass to Lindholm. Rips it, and that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Tries to get the puck over to Lindholm, and he slides it quickly to Raquel. From the right wing, he moves it to the middle. Here they are on the attack. Raquel's going to play it to the corner. Puts it up front. Nylander's got it along the wing. From one end of the blue line to the other. And that's picked off. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Puts it on goal, just wide. Leonard's going to smother it to get a whistle.
Can get dangerous if nobody's in control of the puck.
Sweden's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Team Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. Referee blows the whistle, and we've got ourselves a penalty shot.
Well, he gets out into the open, and the defender looks like he's water skiing behind him, so this is clearly a penalty shot.
And here we go. Huge stop right there.
Shuts it down. Take that stuff away from here. James, he was in great position there. He's not fooled at all, and he shuts it down.
Sweden showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Team Belarus has got it in their own zone. Here's a shot, and that one's stopped. Team Sweden's got a hold of it against the wall. And now it's over to Dahlin. Intercepts it at center. Over the line they come. Move to the middle. Takes the feed at the back end. Move to the middle. Battling for the puck, but still hangs on. Too much congestion in front. Up the neutral zone now. Moves it to Klingberg. Moves the puck more to the middle. And now he moves it quickly to Landeskog. Steen's looking to make something happen here in the corner. Denied by the blocker. There's the whistle stopping the play. Penalty coming up. I don't think this will have much of an impact on this one. Pretty cut and dry from up here, and the official saw it firsthand with hooking the call.
It's a penalty of being in bad position, and I think when you impede a player like this, they should call the hooking penalty every time.
Time for the power play unit to get back to work. Backlund's won the draw deep in the defensive zone.
There's another power play for them, James. They've already scored on the power play tonight, so they must have some pretty good feel for it. They also have to be aware the penalty killers will adjust. They will have to, too.
Shot on net, completely misses on the play.
You don't even make the goalie work here. You've got to make him have to do something in the net.
Gets it out of his own end. Belarus takes possession along the wall. Back at the point, they set it up. Feeds it down low. Right in the slot. Wrist shot from the slot. Oh, what a save in front. Great reflexes, another save.
Now, by being in the right position, James, he gets so tight to the shooter, there's nowhere for the puck to go.
Sweden's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Team Sweden's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and laid it big time late in this third period. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Puts it on goal. Comes up with the stop. I think he got a blocker on that one.
That's a good save there, James. It looks rather simple, but he gets the puck into the corner. No danger.
Landeskog's out of the box.
Really aggressive work by the penalty killers. They shut that power play down without any danger.
Team Belarus has gained possession along the boards. Here they come on the attack.
In the third period.
Under a minute to go here in regulation time. Sweden's got the puck along the boards. Through center along the wing. And he slides it quickly to Lindholm. Tees it up from the blue line. And a great save. Moves the puck along the half wall. Team Sweden's got the puck along the wall. Forsberg's got it on the offensive end. Shot makes the save. Belarus tries to break out from their own end. Takes the feed. Moves it quickly over to Carlson. And now he tries to get it across to Backstrom. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. What a save! He'll probably feel that one tomorrow.
Backstrom's able to get everything behind this hit. He really lays one on here.
Sweden's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. That's all she wrote from this one tonight.
Every once in a while, everything comes together for a complete victory, and I felt that's what happened tonight. They had the puck, they shot the puck, they got it back, they shot it again. Really a dominating performance.
You know, I know people like to point the finger at goaltenders when they give up lots of goals, but in this case, it's hard to blame him with the amount of offense that he was seeing there.
Well, there's no way he's going to be able to hold the door shut. That was domination.
For my broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cybulski. Thanks so much for joining us. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.